guys, how you doing today? So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Isi Ewu, also known as goat head. So let's get started, shall we? So we will be starting off first with our goat head, our Isi Ewu. I've already washed this 4 times and we are good to go. For the non-Nigerians that may watch this video, Isi Ewu is a delicacy for the Igbo ethnic group in Nigeria, southeastern part of Nigeria. So we're going to be using 5 Habanero peppers, 1 red bell pepper and an onion. I'll be using the red bell pepper as my thickener. Normally you're supposed to use the goat brain as your thickener, but since I don't have that, I'm thinking out of the box here and I'm going to use the red bell pepper as my thickener. This is Akanu, also known as potash. I'll be using spinach to garnish the Isi Ewu later since I don't have fresh Utazi leaves. We'll be adding Ukpaka, also called Ugba, and then a full Uziza, Ehuru, and all these are different species of African nutmeg. And then Ogiri Igbo, crayfish, and Utazi leaves. I have dried Utazi leaves. Don't mind my name on the label. It was my mom that labeled this and sent it to the US from Nigeria for me. She's just the best. We'll be adding Maggi and salt to taste. I'll be cooking the goat head with my pressure cooker. And then we're gonna add some water. We'll add the onion. I used half of the onion that I showed earlier. And then we'll add a teaspoonful of Maggi for seasoning. I'm also going to add pepper flakes. Then you stir the mixture a little bit. So we're going to select option 5, which is for cooking meat on the pressure cooker. So we're going to go ahead and prepare our sauce. First of all, you're going to dissolve the Akanu in water. So you scrape a little bit of the Akanu in a plate and add some water to dissolve it. You just basically just stir it up. You're gonna leave this to settle down. We only need the supernatant, like the liquid on top of it. So you leave it to settle down so the residues rest beneath the liquid. So it doesn't there's sand, so you don't want sand in your food. I'm gonna use this pot to prepare my sauce. So we're gonna add palm oil. I added 3.5 spoons of palm oil. So we're going to add the the dissolved Akanu is remaining a little bit because I had already added some before I realized I wasn't filming. You're going to stir this up well so the color changes like a light orange color. This is what we have. Did you notice the color changed? Just because of the account that I added. I added 1.5 teaspoons of Ehuru. One and a half teaspoons of Ehuru as well. And 1.5 teaspoons of Uziza. I added 2 teaspoons of crayfish. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of Ogiri Igbo. Ogiri Igbo is also called locust bean. You would want to break down the ogiri very well, so you stir and break it down and make sure that it's broken down and it's not forming lumps in your sauce. I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of Maggi. And a teaspoon of salt. Our Isi Ewu is done cooking. I'm gonna blend the Habanero peppers and the red bell pepper. I used half of the red bell pepper. Please don't add water. I'm adding the blended peppers to the sauce. I'm also going to blend the Utazi leaves. I like adding Utazi leaf because there's this flavor it adds to the Isi Ewu. It actually adds a distinct flavor to the Isi Ewu. I'm gonna add the Ukpaka to the sauce. I warmed up the Ukpaka a little bit on the gas cooker. At this point, we're gonna add our Isi Ewu to the sauce and stir very well, mix everything together. And the final step is to garnish our Isi Ewu. I'll be using chopped spinach and some onion. a look at Isi Ewu that went to Harvard. Ooh. Isn't this beautiful? It's giving what it's supposed to give. Hi. So, the moment of truth. Let's try this. Bless us, O Lord, in this your gifts. We are about to receive from the power to praise the Lord. Amen. Okay. Woo. Let's try. This is buzzing. Oh my god. You need to try this with me. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, share my video, and let me know if you tried this recipe or if you're going to try it in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Wait, or you could watch me eat. The choice is yours. Oh my god. Woo! Mm.